Hi, a pleasant evening to all. This is Mike Padua, and we're back to our latest weather analysis for this Wednesday to Friday, May 4 to 6, 2022. And this is our English version brought to you by Typhoon2000. And we begin with our update. Here is the latest graph set for today, Wednesday, until tomorrow, Thursday. We have the Easterlies returning across the Surigao del Norte area, Visayas, Bicol region, Romblon, Oriental Mindoro, and Polillo Island. So these areas will have hot and warm conditions with cloudy skies and some chances of isolated rain showers and thunderstorms, particularly in the afternoon or evening. And the low pressure 90W, which we are monitoring for the past few days, has dissipated, and it's already a part of a surface trough over the Celebes Sea. It's already gone. So this is only the remnants. Some thunderstorms bring some rains across the southern portions of Mindanao. And outside of Padua, we don't have any developing LPA or succeeding LPA so far. We have the IDCZ here all the way across the eastern Marshall Islands. Up north, the frontal system or the stationary major front remains across extreme northern Luzon, particularly over Batanes, Babuyan, Islands, while the northern areas of Ilocos Norte and northern Cagayan will see improving weather conditions. And elsewhere across the Philippine Islands, hot and warm weather with high heat index reaching more than 50 degrees. And outside temperature of up to 36 degrees. So don't forget to drink lots of water to battle this high heat index. And so far, that's the latest from our graph set. Here's the fast animation. All clear across the Philippine Islands except for the remnants of the LPA over Mindanao and some easterlies across the Visayas. And the frontal system is still affecting the portions of extreme northern Luzon, Batanes, Babuyan, Islands. And if we take a look at the zoom-in satellite animation as the evening progresses between 6 to 11 p.m. this evening, some thunderstorms can still be observed across western sections of Mindanao, but starting to dissipate. And also one here over southern Cebu and the southeastern sections of Negros and over the areas of Siargao, Dinagat, and portions of Surigao del Norte. There are some smaller thunderstorms moving across the areas. So far, that's the part of the easterlies. And here, over the Batanes, Babuyan, Islands, there are some thunderstorms, rain showers developing because of the frontal system nearby. And if you take a look at the forecast of the rainfall for the next 3 days, courtesy of ECMWF from the windy.com app, by tomorrow afternoon, we expect more afternoon or evening thunderstorms across northern Luzon and also over Visayas and Mindanao, while lower chances of thunderstorms will be expected across Bicol region and the rest of the country. And on Friday afternoon, some thunderstorms will persist across Ilocos Norte, Ilocos Sur, and portions of Cordillera region, but at a lower rate, okay? And some rain showers will also be expected over eastern Visayas and some portions of Mindanao, but with a decreasing intensity. Over the Bicol region, there will be some cloudy conditions across Camarines provinces during Friday afternoon with some low chances of isolated rain showers and thunderstorms. Over to Saturday afternoon, again, some isolated thunderstorms will be expected over Mindanao, Visayas, and the western sections of northern and central Luzon, particularly Zambales. So there will be some isolated thunderstorms developing. But overall, warm, hot, and dry will be expected across the Philippine Islands, including the Bicol region. And here's the rainfall accumulation forecast for the next 3 days. Most of the rainfall accumulation will be expected across Mindanao and the western sections of northern and central Luzon, particularly the mountains of Cordillera and Benguet up to the Ilocos region, and also Batanes, Babuyan, Islands. Because of the frontal system, these are more of a local convection, localized heating, and here over Mindanao is the same local heating and local convection, which generates this afternoon or evening rain showers and thunderstorms for the next 3 days. And for the wind forecast, easterlies will prevail through Saturday. Okay, so nothing unusual, no weather disturbances in sight for the next 3 to 5 days till election day. It's all generally easterly surface wind flow with isolated rain showers and thunderstorms across the Philippine Islands, particularly over Mindanao and Visayas and portions of Luzon through election day. So that's good news to us, Filipino voters. And before we leave you, here's the latest global topics, hazards, and benefits outlook from the Climate Prediction Center of NOAA, issued every Wednesday. And this is valid for the next 2 weeks. These are the outlook for tropical development. Now, for week 1, valid May 4 to May 10, there will be a possibility of above average rainfall at high confidence or high chances across Mindanao and southern portions of Visayas, and some portions of Palawan and Sulu Archipelago because of the ongoing La Nina. And on week 2, valid May 11 to May 17, normal weather conditions will be expected across the Philippine Islands, meaning the hot dry season will continue to occur across the Philippine Islands with lesser chances of thunderstorms. So that will be on May 11 to 17, but this is still uncertain, and we will be seeing more updates on this for next Wednesday. So that's the latest for this Wednesday through Friday, and we will return on Friday to give you more updates on the weather this coming weekend. From Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always, be #weatherwiser, and thank you so much for watching our channel.